Hello Tech Explorers, want to remove a secret chat on Telegram? It's super easy and I'll show you how in just few taps. First, open the Telegram app and go to the secret chat with the person. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here you will see an option to delete the chat. Tap on delete chat, then confirm by tapping delete again. The secret chat is now completely erased from your device. Did you know secret chats can't be restored once deleted? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it, you have successfully removed a secret chat on Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.